I'm Wendy Darby, and this is my daughter, Abigail. Abby, how old are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5!
And together we're going to show you how much fun it is to use the AccuQuilt Go Drunkard's Path die. Here we have the die, and you have a die space of 17 inches wide by 9 inches. So we ended up taking a half yard of fabric. We cut 10 inches off so we could do 6 layers. We folded it within 9 inches, accordion folded it. You can kind of see that. If we pick it up here, you can see how it's accordion folded over. And it's laying across the die. And now we're going to it uses the 10 by 24 cutting mat, which is the same as the strip cutter. And Abby is going to push it through. Are you ready, Abby? Here, come do the twirling. Push it this way. Are we doing the right? Yep. Go that way. Here, I'm going to come behind you. All right, go. There we go. All right, now we have all of our pieces cut out. You ready? Here it is. Take this part off. Now the nice thing about these pieces is that AccuQuilt has put registration marks on your curves to make matching your curves easy. Now we have a stack of 6 here. We shuffle one side so they mismatch. I use 2 different fabrics, a black and a white. And now we are ready to go and sew. Abby is showing you one of my favorite blocks using the Drunkard's Path die. This one's called the dove, and you can see how you use the half circles here and then the reverse of them to make the wings of the dove. So you can see that the dove is flying off, and this is a fun pattern to tessellate across the quilt. But to sew this block, you need to know how to sew curves. So AccuQuilt has put this registration mark on the center of each of your curves. So you pick up one of your concave pieces and one of your convex pieces. Concave looks like a quarter circle, the convex looks like an L. Now lay it on top of the concave piece because that's the piece I want to be underneath when I sew. And I match up my 2 registration marks and I put a pin there. Now eventually you can get this done where you can just pin this piece and then sew the rest of it just by matching it as you go. But until you're comfortable with it, I would pin it so you get consistent results. I put a pin at each end point here, that end, and that's my start end, and then my finishing end. And then I just pick a spot in between there and match those edges up. And put a pin there. So in all I'm going to use 5 pins. Okay. Alright. Simple as that. Now we're going to put it on the machine and zip through the curve. You want to put it on a scant 1/4 inch seam allowance. And don't sew across your pins. And really just kind of go slow as you ease around that corner. And as you if you run into some fullness, you want to push the fullness towards your needle so that and away from the seam allowance. And that way it won't turn into a pleat or a pucker. Now we take it off.
And that's how you do it.
Good job. You have a good day.